Yeah, this is one.
May I have your attention, please? Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
Great Western Railway operates a penalty fare scheme from this station.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 1618 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth via Exeter Central. This is the service from Paignton. Platform 1 of the 1618 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth via Exeter Central, calling at Exeter Central, St James Park, Poleslow Bridge, Digby and Sowton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Lympstone Commando, Lympstone Village and Exmouth. This train has 2 coaches. Exton and Lympstone Commando are request stops, and passengers to these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave.
Yeah. So you get to sort ground. Come on, Dan.
Going to London Paddington. Yeah. Yeah. Some people are, that man always stands there, letting them cross. Some people did.